Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use master slides and layouts in Google Slides. I'll be demonstrating this on the web version. Open the Google Slides presentation you want to work with. You can use an existing one or create a new presentation. Once your presentation is open, click on the slide menu in the top menu bar. From the drop-down, click Edit Theme. The view will change and the slides will appear against a dark background. You're now in the theme builder. Look at the left panel. At the very top is the master slide, and the panel is divided into two sections, theme at the top with your master slide, and layouts below it with all your layout slides. Click on the master slide to select it. You'll see it highlighted with the smaller layout slides underneath. This master slide controls the default design for every slide in your presentation. It includes two text boxes by default for title and body text. To edit the master slide, change fonts, colors, backgrounds, add a logo, or move any elements around. For example, if you add a logo here, it'll appear on every slide. Any changes you make will apply across your entire presentation. If you want to customize a specific layout, scroll down in the left panel under the Layout section and click on one of the layout slides. When you select a layout, you'll see a count showing how many slides are currently using it. Only the slides using this specific layout will change when you edit it. You can adjust text boxes, resize image placeholders, or add new elements. To adjust your theme colors, click the Colors button in the toolbar. The Theme Colors panel will appear on the right side. Select the color you want to change, then click it to pick a new color using the color selector or by entering a hex code. If you need to create a custom layout, find the blank layout in the left panel, select it, and click the plus sign at the top left corner. A new layout will be created and added to your available layouts. Once you're finished editing, click the X button in the top right corner of the Theme Builder view. You'll return to normal editing view. To apply a layout to any slide, select the slide in the left panel, then click the Layout button in the top toolbar. A list of all available layouts appears. Click on the layout you want, and the slide will instantly change to match it. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Elements you place in the master slide or layouts are locked and can only be edited from Theme Builder. Any new slides you create will automatically use the theme and layouts you've defined. If you want to reuse your custom theme in future presentations, make a copy of this file and use it as a starting template, since Google Slides doesn't have a built-in Save As Theme feature. Thanks for watching.